Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to learn about two important tools in AutoCAD, that is trimming and extending. Let's dive in. If you find a drawing like this drawing, you have these lines which are extended, some lines are not joining to others and we want to join them. So we use two tools. This line you can trim by typing trim. Then you click on trim. Then it will ask you to select the object that you want to trim. Then you click on this line. I want to trim this one. If you want to trim on the inside, you click inside. So you trim on the outside. And then after you finish, you click enter. Then if you want to extend this line to join this second line, you just type extend, EX, and then you click on extend. Then it will ask you to select the object to extend. When you click on this line, it will extend towards this line. Then if you want to trim this other side, you just click escape or you click enter. Then you click trim, TR, then you select the line. Then you click escape or enter. Guys, that is simple. That is how we do trimming and extending in AutoCAD. See you in the next video.